How's it going, everybody? Rennell Reed, and I'm gonna show you a little tip on suitcase maintenance. How to clean your suitcase wheels. This is a Delsey suitcase. So, if you travel a lot, occasionally you're gonna have to clean your suitcase wheels. Um, it's very simple. Just take a cleaning wipe. These are some and here's what you do. You basically rub it on the wheel. If you travel a lot, you will have to occasionally clean your suitcase wheels. This is a fairly good quality one, though they still, on occasion, need to be cleaned at times. I did have to put the phone down for a minute and stop recording in order to clean one wheel, but because this is a process that requires both hands to do it, but you can see the grime that just came off of one suitcase wheel on this alcohol wipe or Clorox wipe. I mean, cleaning wipe. Yep. So there you go. This is just a quick tip for those of you who travel frequently. I hope this helped you, and I'll see you next time.